Hello dear students, we are dealing with the second chapter, The Tiger King. The Tiger King is a story of the king of Pratibandhpuram. He is also known as Tiger King, and there is a story behind this name. When the Tiger King was only 10 days old, he uttered few words and also raised intelligent questions. He asked the astrologers to tell the manner of his death. And the astrologers predicted that he would die due to a tiger. Okay, let us continue the story. You may think that Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur was thrown into a quake when he heard the word tiger. That was exactly what did not happen. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the Crown Prince gave a deep growl. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Let tigers beware. This account is only a rumor rife in Pratibandhpuram, but with hindsight, we may conclude it was based on some truth. Now the writer says that the reader may think that the Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur would tremble upon hearing the name of a tiger. Okay, but that did not happen. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the Crown Prince gave a deep growl. As soon as the Tiger King, the Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur, heard the name of a tiger, he made a roaring sound. Terrifying words emerged from his lips, and he uttered some terrifying words. And what were those words? Let tigers beware, that all the tigers should beware. Okay, this account is only a rumor rife in Pratibandhpuram, although this story is a kind of rumor in Pratibandhpuram, but with hindsight we may conclude it was based on some truth. But the writer says that this story was based on some truth. Okay, it was not only a rumor, but it was based on some truth. Hindsight means to understand an event or situation only after it has happened. Okay. क्राउन प्रिंस जंगजंग बहादुर टाइगर का नाम सुन के बिल्कुल भी नहीं घबराए. इनफैक्ट उन्होंने एक रोरिंग साउंड की और कुछ टेरिफाइंग वर्ड्स बोले जो थे लेट टाइगर्स बिवेयर, यानी कि सारे जो टाइगर्स हैं उनको सावधान हो जाना चाहिए. और ये जो स्टोरी है वो एक प्रतिबंधपुरम में जैसे एक रूमर, एक स्टोरी की तरह ही वो ट्रेंड में है, लेकिन जो राइटर हैं वो कहते हैं कि इस स्टोरी के पीछे भी कुछ ना कुछ सच्चाई जरूर थी. Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. No other miracle marked his childhood days, apart from the event already described. The boy drank the milk of an English cow, was brought up by an English nanny, tutored in English by an Englishman, saw nothing but English films, exactly as the crown princes of all the other Indian states did. When he came of age at 20, the state which had been with the court of wards until then came into his hands. The Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur grew taller and stronger as the days passed by. जैसे जैसे दिन बीतते गए जो जंगजंग बहादुर थे वो taller और stronger होते गए. No other miracle marked his childhood days apart from the event already described. And no other miracle happened in his childhood days. Okay. The only miracle marked his childhood days was that he uttered few words and he raised intelligent questions when he was only 10 days old. Okay. लेकिन इसके अलावा उसकी चाइल्डहुड में क्राउन प्रिंस जंगजंग बहादुर के बचपन में कोई और मिरेकल नहीं हुआ. Okay. No other miracle took place in his childhood days. Okay. The boy drank the milk of an English cow and the crown prince drank the milk of an English cow. एक इंग्लिश काव का वो दूध पिया करते थे. वॉज ब्रॉट अप बाय एन इंग्लिश नैनी, और एक इंग्लिश नैनी मीन्स गवर्नेस, जो ध्यान रखती है, देखभाल करने वाली, उन्हें एक इंग्लिश नैनी के द्वारा पाला पोसा गया. ट्यूटर्ड इन इंग्लिश बाय एन इंग्लिश मैन and he got lessons in English by an English man. Saw nothing but English films, exactly as the crown princes of all the other Indian states did. And he only watched English films just like the crown princes of all the other Indian states did. Okay, जैसे कि इंडियन स्टेट के और जो प्रिंस थे वो क्या करते थे, वैसे ही जो क्राउन प्रिंस जंगजंग बहादुर की लाइफस्टाइल थी वो भी वैसे ही थी. Okay, when he came of age at 20, the state which had been with the court of wards until then came into his hands. And when the crown prince Jangjang Bahadur turned 20 years of age, then the royal state was given to him, which had been in the custody of the court of wards. Court of wards was a legal body created by the East India Company. Okay, क्राउन प्रिंस जंगजंग बहादुर को उनके राज्य की जो बागडोर थी वो उनके हाथ में तब आई जब वो 20 इयर्स के हो गए थे. तब तक उनका जो राज्य था वो कोर्ट ऑफ वार्ड्स के द्वारा संभाला गया था. एंड कोर्ट ऑफ वार्ड्स was a legal body created by the East India Company, and its purpose was to protect successors and their estates when the successor was deemed to be a minor. जब उत्तराधिकारी माइनर हो तो उसका राज्य कोर्ट ऑफ वार्ड्स द्वारा संभाला जाता था. ओके, but everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction. Many continued to discuss the matter. Slowly it came to the Maharaja's ears. But everyone in the kingdom में, राज्य में सभी लोगों को एस्ट्रोलॉजर की जो प्रेडिक्शन थी, जो भविष्यवाणी थी, वो याद थी. They did not forget the prediction. Many continued to discuss the matter. Slowly it came to the Maharaja's ear. जब लोगों ने इस बात को डिस्कस करना शुरू किया तो धीरे धीरे ये बात महाराजा के कानों तक भी पहुंच गई. महाराजा came to know of it. Okay. There were innumerable forests in the Pratibandhapuram state. They had tigers in them. The Maharaja knew the old saying, you may kill even a cow in self-defense. There could certainly be no objection to killing tigers in self-defense. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. There were many forests in the Pratibandhapuram which had a number of tigers in them. The Maharaja knew the old saying. The Maharaja was aware of an old saying, you may kill even a cow in self-defense. That you could kill even a cow in order to protect yourself. कि अपने आप को बचाने के लिए आप एक गाय को भी मार सकते हो. There could certainly be no objection to killing tigers in self-defense. So he felt that no one would object if he would kill a tiger in order to protect himself. Okay. The Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. राजा ने सोचा कि अगर काऊ को मारने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है तो फिर टाइगर को मारने में तो किसी को कोई ऑब्जेक्शन होगा ही नहीं. द महाराजा स्टार्टेड आउट ऑन ए टाइगर हंट. फिर जो महाराजा जंगजंग बहादुर थे वो टाइगर हंटिंग के लिए निकल पड़े. द महाराजा वॉज थ्रिल्ड बियॉन्ड मेजर व्हेन ही किल्ड हिज फर्स्ट टाइगर. ही सेंट फॉर द स्टेट एस्ट्रोलॉजर एंड शोड हिम द डेड बीस्ट. द महाराजा वॉज क्वाइट एक्साइटेड व्हेन ही किल्ड द फर्स्ट टाइगर. He sent for the state astrologer. Sent for means called for. Okay. He called for the state astrologer and showed him the dead tiger. Okay. जो महाराजा थे वो बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड थे कि उन्होंने एक टाइगर को मार गिराया और उन्होंने किसको बुलावा भेजा? स्टेट एस्ट्रोलॉजर को. और उसे उस टाइगर को जो डेड टाइगर था उसको उस स्टेट एस्ट्रोलॉजर को उन्होंने दिखाया. He showed the dead tiger to the state astrologer. What do you say now? He demanded. The king asked the astrologer for his comments. उन्होंने कहा अब बोलो, अब क्या बोलते हो आप? Your Majesty may kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner, but the astrologer drawled. जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर था उसने कहा कि Your Majesty, that respected king, आप 99 टाइगर्स को ऐसे ही मार सकते हो जैसे आपने ये पहला टाइगर मार गिराया. But then he stopped speaking. Okay. But what speak without fear? Then the king asked him to speak without fear. But you must be very careful with the 100th tiger. The astrologer replied that the king must be very careful with the 100th tiger. राजा की जान को 100th tiger से खतरा था. Okay. That is why the astrologer warned him.